Okay, so I'll come back to you, Mr. Kothari. Union Minister Prahlad Joshi.
Sure.
Prahlad Joshi is with us. Mr. Joshi, a very significant decision taken by your government to investigate the trusts which are held by the Gandhi family. You think the government has finally decided that the Gandhis have to be held to account?
No, there should be accountability, and especially Pradhan Mantri Parihar Nidhi jo hota hai, whatever the PM relief fund will be there, and also from the accepting the donation from China and recommending for the FTA. This is a big scam, and this is a very, very clear-cut evidence of quid pro quo. That's why it was needed an inquiry, and all the concerned person should be brought to the book. This is my firm suggestion.
That's a significant statement you are making, sir. You are saying that there was a scam using these trusts, obviously indulged by the first family of the Congress party because they are heading these trusts. You believe that the investigation can go beyond the Enforcement Directorate once preliminary investigation is over, and since it's an interministerial group, there is a likelihood of the other agencies also getting in?
No, there should be, I mean, whatever all is needed to unearth the truth, that is to be done, because it is a very, according to me, it is a very, very serious sin they have committed, and especially accepting the donation from the China, and when their own government was there, that means the family first,
Right.
nation next. This is the policy of the Congress party, and investigation, there should be investigation, and all needed investigation should be done,
Right.
and it will be done.
I'll ask one more question before I let you go, Mr. Joshi. The fact that it's an interministerial committee, and typically in all cases, you have already called it a scam, in all cases where there is an element of money laundering, and given the fact that the Gandhis are public figures, there is the possibility of a case under Prevention of Corruption Act also, which goes in the domain of the CBI. So you think that the investigation can broaden from here on?
No, I initial my statement itself, all needed investigation has to be done, and no other person should, no other organization, trust, or anybody for that matter, they should dare to do this. Like that, inquiry should go on.
Right. Thank you so much, Mr. Joshi. So this was the first reaction coming in from the government side. Prahlad Joshi, who is also Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs, and he's suggesting that there was definitely an element of a scam which needs to be investigated, and that is why this interministerial committee has been set up. I come back to Swapnil. Swapnil, if you are still there, the government seems to be fully aware of what all has happened, because the very fact of setting up an interministerial committee, remember, as I was engaging with the minister, there is an element of money laundering, which means that given the fact that the Gandhis are public figures, there is a possibility of invoking the Prevention of Corruption Act, which goes in the domain of the Central Bureau of Investigation. You think that the investigation, if taken in the right direction, can broaden and include other agencies also?
Definitely. In fact, in my opinion, the start itself should be from all three angles, the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate and the Ministry of Home Affairs providing the facts or the factual background. Because I think, it's very important that you involve all the acts, or rather all the agencies, so that they function under different acts, which is the Prevention of Corruption Act. So you have the CBI, then you have the PMLA, the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, you have the Enforcement Directorate. And then, of course, you have the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, where both these agencies can have an interplay. So it is very important. It's not that we have to go step by step, okay, now we've got this, so now let's involve CBI. The start should be from all angles, because this kind of a thing is not something which is light. It is very, very serious. It is very, very grave, simply because the national interest is being detrimented here. And, one has to be, not only curative, but preventive as well.